so I'm just going to take you through what I've got. So I'm going to do a few baby highlights using Bleach London's Total Bleach, and you get the powder and developing lotion. So I'm going to do those highlights first, and I'm going to do them just down the root on the top of my head to the front of my face. And then I'm going to use the colour that my hairdresser sent me through the post, Tracy. So this is a brown colour that I'm going to mix together and do sort of pull through the rest of the hair. So this will be a full transformation on the full head of blonde hair. I'm basically doing this to create a look that's maintainable throughout this isolation period. And I've got some foils from Amazon. All the other equipment's from Amazon apart from the colour. It's times like this where you wish you just walked into a lovely salon and been greeted by your hairdresser and they put on that really nice cloak. Well, this is a bin liner that I have just torn down the side and put on because I don't want to get bleach or any colour on my skin or my clothes, so make sure you wear protective clothing. Baby lights on the T-section of my hair, as you can see. Now I'm going to mix the brown colour and I'm going to put a load of low lights through the rest of my hair and smudge it into my root. No idea how this is going. Also, sweating like mad in my bin liner. This is sweaty work. On my T-section. It was really difficult to get around the back, so I'm going to just do a bit of a root smudge just to blend through a bit of brown on the other part of my hair. So let's see how we get on. Foils out, some brunette ones in there, some blonde ones in there. I'm going to go and wash my hair. So obviously it looks very different once it's washed and dried. So I'm just going to go over this with a dark root smudge just to blend it in a bit more, and then we'll wash it again and dry it and see how we are.